Hey, I'm here with the backpack in out front of one of the trails in my neighborhood. Let's go take a walk and see how this feels. It's really nice today. There's water down there. It's a little creek area. How do you like the backpack? I'm filming this with my remote cameraman. It is a DJI Neo. Let's see if we're wet down here. Can I go through here without getting soaked? You gonna make it? Yep, you did just fine. What was that? This is not a trail, this is a creek. The trail's a little bit over that way. We'll get back on the trail here in a minute. Let's see here. Okay, little cameraman, are you getting through there? I'm over here. Look for me. I'm over here. Come on. Come on. Whoop. You make it? Yep. Okay, I think I can get through here without getting soaked. Maybe. Okay, come on, little buddy. Come on. All right, now we're back to the trail. It goes this way and this way. Might see a couple of my neighbors' houses here. Whoop. All right, so I'm out here with the backpack still, and I needed to charge up my little camera buddy, so I've got him here with the backpack deployed, and I'm gonna get a little charge on the batteries and then take it for a flight in this beautiful wide open area in my neighborhood here. All right, thanks for watching.